Today, we will be demonstrating how to assemble a metal frame package. For this demonstration, we will be using a Nielsen metal frame, Nielsen corner and hanging hardware, acrylic, our mounted and matted artwork, spring clips, hanging wire, and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, start off with one section of the top and one section of the side of the frame. With corner hardware in hand, proceed to insert the backing angle, lettering side up with the front angle. Then, clamp the corner securely with your fingers while tightening with the screwdriver. Proceed to repeat this step on the other side of the frame. Next, peel your acrylic. Carefully pull from the corner to avoid touching the surface with your hands. When the first side is peeled, flip the acrylic onto your artwork and begin peeling the other side. Our artwork has already been mounted onto foam core and matted. Now you can insert your artwork in acrylic. Just slide it into the frame channel and you're ready to attach the last frame section. Prepare your final section for later insertion by placing the corner hardware on both ends. Now you can add your hanging hardware. Measure approximately 1/3 of the frame's height down from the top. Just insert into the frame channel and tighten. Repeat on the other side. Attach the last section and tighten the screws. Next, we can fill the loose space with our supportive spring clips. Insert them in the frame channel by pressing down in the middle and sliding them into the channel. Repeat this step until the entire channel is filled evenly with the provided spring clips. Be sure to insert them on all sides of the frame. Next, we will be preparing the wire for hanging. Measure a piece of wire and make sure it is longer than the length of your frame. Cut your wire using wire cutters. Next, loop the hanging wire through both hangers. Pull the wire tight. Trim the wire if needed. Repeat on the other side. Wrap one end around itself about 7 times. Once completed, you'll have professional results for all to enjoy.